Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Latoyalaven. Yes, it's been ages. I'm not gonna say anything. It's have been ages that I have posted a video on my channel, and there are multiple reasons why I did not post anything, but I'm so happy you guys are here back with me. Fresh new year 2020. This is my first video I'm posting for 2020, and yeah, stay tuned. And so in today's video we will be talking about all what we are letting go in 2021 and what that year did actually, and this is a new year, new goals, new things I'll be going by. In a way, I haven't been posting because I've been working on myself. YouTube is one of my hobbies, and I really like to sit down, chit chat, really get content out there. I am very creative, so this is one of the things what I really love to do. And also my side hustle and my business was also taking off a little bit, so things were really good. I was also going through personal stuff had me like really down, and I really didn't know where my life was like circling towards me. Everything was like all about the place, and you really don't want that for yourself. You have to really like take a step back, shut down from everything, from social media. You guys have also been seeing I haven't been posting much on my Snapchat, my Insta, my Facebook, anything. I haven't been posting because I was really taking the time for myself to really see what I really want to do with my life and the purpose of my life and things what has been going on. So the first thing what I'm going to telling you guys, letting go in 2021, what don't serve you, is letting go of relationships, friendships, family, loved ones. I don't care. Go of it. If it don't serve you. Toxic people, let them go. Believe me, I had it to learn it the hard way, and it's very important for your own well-being. Let me tell you something. People will come into your life like seasons, and you have to be aware of which season they are. Are they in the season to stay, that's like to go with you, or those are the seasons like to what they can get from you? People come really like that in your life, and you have to really acknowledge that, to really see like, is this really a friendship? Is this really something I really want? I mean, it's the same thing goes for family. Yeah, you could be family by blood, but that doesn't mean you are family. If you're on a positive vibes and you're a positive person and you do positive things in your life, and these people come with a toxicity towards you, and it really don't serve you, you will be on that low energy level, and you don't want that. So why should you do it? It don't make no sense at all. Let them go. You have to. You will see how great you will feel by letting go. But let me tell you this, letting them go the proper way. You do it quick, you do it intentionally, you do it with trusting God, and it's fruitful towards them. This is how you let people go. Don't be like, yeah, I'm not gonna call you back no more, I'm gonna do. No, let them know what is the real deal. Let them know why you are letting go of that relationship. Let them know why. You understand? So they can move on and you can move on too. Loving yourself more. Fiction on this very, very long, that loving yourself more, right? I've been preaching it towards other people, but I was not preaching it to myself. I did not see the worth and the value of myself like how I put it out there. And there we go, back to the first thing with like what I said. Is like, if somebody knows your value and your worth before you, they will definitely take advantage of that. Believe me or not, they will take advantage of it. And taking advantage of your value and your love and what you what you put out there for you as a person, it will be very difficult for you. So I learned loving yourself more, and this is what I'm doing in 2022. Loving myself more, what I want, doing new things, having good things come towards in my life, and just do it for me, not for somebody else. Even though you also go into a relationship, make sure you love yourself first before you love somebody. It really does make sense. And I thought I loved myself. I really thought so. But I wasn't loving myself the way how I supposed to love myself for me. And that took me to a place where I got hurt and I got like not depressed, but I was like disappointed in myself and those kind of stuff, you know. So loving yourself, love yourself more. In 2021 we did not do it that much. In 2022 this is a whole different story. It's gonna come perfectly towards in your way. I'm so positive and so happy. Things are just going really good. Something goes hand in hand with that also together is actually learning new habits. I actually learned new habits about myself, like working on my speech. My communication skills was kind of pretty off, and off in like I wasn't coming out like very feminine. It was coming out very masculine to what people actually changed that, because that changed it for me because I felt really good, and the certain ways how I put in my speech taught me so much in 2021. Work on your skills, how you talk, how you it just works out really perfect. Reading new books, for example, I will be introducing every month one book, and this book right here is a workbook and it's really good. It's called Achieve Her from Dr. Lakeisha Simmons. This book does really help. It opens my eyes to so many things. And there's also other book. I'm gonna list everything is going to be listed down below in the info box, so just open it and you will see it. That's pretty good. So the next book right here is Jump from Steve Harvey. I did introduce this book again, but I read it again because I was just reading it and I didn't really like understand it, so I read it again and it makes fully sense to me now, that how I did the Achieve Her and then the Steve Harvey Jump. Wonderful. So if you actually reach this part of this video, that means you're really interested in my videos. So click right here below, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up and leave comment down below. Let's communicate with each other in 2022. Yes. Let's start journaling. Here we go. Journaling, oh my goodness, it changed so many things. Journaling is very important, and it's like to read some of your thoughts, the way how you feel, the way how your day is going. To me, journaling and doing a diary comes like hand in hand. I know some people say it's like different. That is true, but it just helps so much. It helped me so much, like to really clarify my emotions, how I feel and what I'm doing. And journaling started. Buy a journal. It doesn't have to be like very expensive or anything, but it's something personal too as well. So what do you want to do? You want to get like a notebook, or you can do it like online, but I don't really recommend online because nowadays people can hack people's stuff and expose people's business out on the internet. So I would recommend not doing that online, but get like a notebook where you could get like for €2-3 or maybe $1 or $5 or something like that, and then you start journaling. Like there are many videos out there how to journal or whatsoever, but look at the videos what actually serve you. Next thing, what was like really interesting, what I found peace in is meditation. I started to meditate like after I was going through a very rough path in my life, and I had to end relationships in my life. I noticed like my thoughts were like all over the place, and then I just few things came up, like meditation and trusting in God more or believing in God more. Everybody has their own religion or whatsoever, but just me, I just noticed meditation and trusting and being saved. Very important for you to believe in something, to trust in something, to work on it. I meditate every day. I made it a new habit. Like I said, learning new things. I made it a new habit. I do not pass a day without meditating at least 10 minutes. Every morning when you wake up, as soon as you wake up, you have gratitude for the day. Very important. Then you start meditating. I start meditating right away when I wake up because it just gives me this positive energy, this positive feeling. and yeah, I just move on with my day, with my tasks, what I have to do. And believing in God, let me tell you guys something. I do believe in God, but I did not believe in God like how I used to, like before, you know. It came to a point, in the lowest point, is like I was in tears. I was like, why this is happening to me? Why my emotions is like this? What is really going on with me? I'm getting a little bit emotional. And then I was looking at this video and it came up on YouTube. I was just like stumbling through my day. It came up a video from Pastor Michael Todd, Transformation Church. I am part of. I just look at the videos and just keep on going in more and more into it. Some people was like noticing changes about me. They were like, wow, what is going on in your life and stuff. Really talk to anybody about it because it's for me. It's for me personally. Till I am ready to talk about it and put it out there. And I said, you know what, I'm making changes in my life, and yeah, you will. There is definitely more changes to come. But your girl is on silent, so you have to keep watching the videos and keep tuning in if you want to see all the changes. A manifestation. Let me tell you, this comes hand in hand with journaling. Man, you can manifest anything what you want because the universe and things comes to you easily if you put and be aware and be disciplined about yourself. Everything comes hand in hand towards you. I was like, you know what, I manifest so many things, and if you're interested like how to manifest and everything, leave a comment down below. Discipline is very important too. If you want things would come towards in your life, you have to be disciplined about it. You kind of say like, oh, she has this and she has that and whatever. You don't know the effort and work he or she is putting into it so they can actually have their life what they want. It's the same thing with celebrities. You kind of see like, oh, I want a body like her. Oh, I want a BBL. Have a figure where you're not happy about it. Listen, I'm not judging anybody. Go ahead and do it. You have the cash, let that cash flow towards you. Do it. Do whatever what you want. I'm not holding back anybody from what they want to do in their life. What serves them, let them do that. But what I'm saying is like, don't let the image of somebody else affects what you want in your life. You have to be disciplined about certain things. I wasn't disciplined about my YouTube channel. I was not disciplined about my business. I was not disciplined about my own self, and I was not disciplined about my everyday workspace and everything. But now that I actually took tasks and organized certain things in my life, I'm being more and more disciplined towards it. It really does serve me. People don't have discipline or being dedicated towards yourself. Like, you can be disciplined to other things. You can be disciplined to your work, but you can't be disciplined to yourself. And this is one thing what I'm saying. I'm working more harder on myself, doing things what serve me in my life, and this is what I did not do in 2021, but your girl is doing it in 2022, right? So you guys, if you really like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more. Be safe, be aware out there, people. Love you. Stay tuned till the next video. Bye.